Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. If you're new to the channel, please don't forget to like and subscribe. In this video, we will walk you through fixing the CHKDSK is not available for raw drives error step by step. Whether you're dealing with a brand new storage device or a previously functional drive that suddenly turned raw and still contains important data. To fix CHKDSK is not available for raw drives using CMD. Open Start menu, type CMD, right-click and select Run as administrator. Type diskpart and press Enter. Type list disk and press Enter. Identify your raw drive's number. Type select disk X, replace X with the correct drive number. Press Enter. Type clean and press Enter. Type create partition primary and press Enter. Type active and press Enter. Type format FS ntfs, click and press Enter. Your drive should now have a fresh file system and work normally. Thanks for watching, and if this was helpful, leave a like and subscribe to the channel.